So this video is Integrated 1, Semester 2, Final Review. This is the D-Day for the final. So on number 1, what is the rate of change? So when they use this term rate of change, they're really asking for slope. And the slope is going to be the number in front of your x when it's in this form. So our slope is going to be letter B, -4. On number 2, state if the two triangles are congruent. If they are, state how you know. So in this situation, I have this side and this side that are the same markings, so they're congruent. This side and this side, so I've got side, side. And then this middle line is actually in both of them. They both share that. So our answer is going to be, yes, they are congruent, and it's by side, side, side. So yes, by side, side, side. Number 3, which of the following words describes this function? We have linear and decreasing, exponential and decreasing, linear and increasing, linear, exponential and increasing. This is a linear situation, so it is either going to be A or C. Now, in order to decide if it's increasing or decreasing, we're going to look at the slope. The slope is the number in front of the x. This is a positive slope, so this is going to be increasing. So our answer is going to be C, linear and increasing. On number 4, which of the following words describes this function? So we have linear and decreasing, exponential and decreasing, linear and increasing, exponential and increasing. It is not going to be linear. They're going to be exponential. We need to look at what we're multiplying by. So since our B is less than 1, basically since it's between 0 and 1, this is going to be decreasing. If our B or our multiplier was greater than 1, then that would have been increasing. So this is going to be decreasing, and it is exponential. So B, exponential decreasing. Okay, so let's look at number 5. Which of the following is not true? The medians for A and B are about the same. So the medians, when you have this box plot, is right here. That's the median. And you see that they are the same. Okay, so that is true. We want the ones that are not true. A has 2 outliers and B has none. A does have 2 outliers and B doesn't, so that's true. B has a larger spread than A. So B is going from here to here. Let me just, let's compare it. Just going to draw a line. So that is the length of B. The length of A is from here to here. So the spread for B is smaller than the spread for A. Disregarding outliers, both box plots are fairly symmetric. And there it's fairly symmetric. The bottom one definitely is more so than the other. But we're trying to figure out what's not true. So what's not true is going to be that B has a larger spread than A. Its range is definitely smaller. And the IQR is also smaller because the IQR, what I drew, the two lines, that would be our range. If I'm looking for IQR would be from here to here for A. And for B, it would be from here to here. Okay, it'd be the box. So in both situations, whether I'm looking at the range or if I'm looking at the IQR, B has a smaller one than A. On number 6, write the linear inequality for the graph that's shown. So first off, all of them are very similar. The y-intercept is 4, so B and D will not be it. We're going down 3 over 1, so both of these are good that way. It is a solid line, so we have an equal, which both of them do. But we are shading below, so that is going to be less than or equal to. So it's going to be C. On number 7, what is the solution to the system of equations? In this case, I would do equal values since both of them are equal to y. So we would go 3x plus 7 is equal to x minus 9. I'm going to minus x from both sides. I'm going to get 2x plus 7 is equal to negative 9. I'm going to minus 7 from both sides. And I'm going to get 2x is equal to negative 16. Divide by 2, and I get x is equal to negative 8. And there's only one that had x as the negative 8, which is D. And that's the end of this video.